Hello kids, today I will teach you how to start cursive writing. To start cursive writing you have to learn one stroke, that is slanting stroke, which we can write from left side to up side. It should be slant. Draw a slanting stroke, then slightly down. Again slant, slightly down and back, and write C. Now again I am writing C for you with the same stroke so that you can easily understand. Stroke, then again stroke and slightly down, again strokes, slightly down and go back and write C. Now I think you can write C easily. Again I am writing C for you so that you can easily understand it. Do you know that with the letter C we can write so many other letters in cursive? Today I will teach you only those letters which can be written with this stroke and C only. And those letters are A, D, G, Q. Now let's start C again so that we can easily write other letters. C. Then again we will write C. Slightly down, then go back, write C and take it up to the red line, then bring it back and turn. We have got D. Now again we can write A with the same stroke. Means with the letter C we can write A also. Now with the same stroke and with letter C we can write G also. C, then touch the blue line, bring it down to the red line, then turn. Again we can write Q with this. In cursive writing you have to keep one thing in your mind, that you have to write it in continuity. Means we are not supposed to pick the pencil again and again. Only then we can write it perfectly. Now I hope you all have understood letters C, D, A, G and Q. Now let's write these again so that you can write easily.